when I started the company, my daughter was 2 weeks old, and all this thing didn't happen at one week or something. It happened progressively. You question yourself: am I really capable of doing it? Am I really want to do it? Do really feel that this is the thing, this is a risk that you can take it? For me, what I looked at it is, I looked at both sides of doing it. First is, I looked at what would happen if I do it and I'm not successful. Okay, that is the worst thing that can happen, right? And the other side is what would happen to my career, or what I can achieve myself working for a company. Okay. Believe me, for technology entrepreneurship, particularly for this country, I see a lot of advantage starting the company, even if it fails. You will have the experience, you will meet people that you probably cannot meet when you work for a company. You have the freedom to do almost whatever you want, at least at the early stage. And you give yourself an opportunity to test it, and you know what you are capable, what you are not capable. And if you fail and then you again join back a company, I feel you would take all the experience and go there. Okay. So looking at all these things, I believe that for me it was a very progressive decision, and I saw a lot of advantage in starting the company rather than working for some other company. And this got to a point where I said, okay, let me give it a shot. If it works, if it doesn't, it doesn't. The process plays a very important role. When you talk to someone, you also have an opportunity to look at the problem in a different perspective and find a logical solution to it. And when you talk to someone, you also you don't feel very frustrated. You calm down yourself. You put things in a clear perspective. And one thing that I have seen over the times is sometimes getting away from the problem helps. Just ignoring the problem and basically spending time somewhere else. That way you would have an opportunity to relook the problem in a different perspective. So these are two things that I take care. I talk a lot to different people and ask them their advice. What should I do? This is what I feel. What do they recommend? And not always you have to take their suggestion, but going through the process, it's very important, because I'm sure all the startups who are successful have gone through this process. Okay, and there is a solution to it. And even when you know that there is really no solution to it, then also you know what else to do. So it helps in talking to people, and at times when you have technical problems, I believe staying away really helps. That's the important thing. There are a lot of entrepreneurs who don't have all the skill set that is required to be a successful entrepreneur. But I don't see any entrepreneur without a passion to do it. So the key thing is passion, and I feel if there is an interest, things will fall in place.